Hi guys, welcome to my Prime XBT video. In this video, we're going to go over Prime XBT, but specifically their copy trading function, where at the minute there's someone who has got over 8,000% gains in a 144-day period. So that's unreal. If you jumped on that when you first started, then you'd be very happy, wouldn't you? We'll go over the copy trading, and then we'll have a look at their referral system as well. That might be of interest to some of you. But yeah, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please do. If you enjoy the video, then please like it, and I will leave timestamps in the description down below, as well as links to join Prime XBT. Enjoy the video.
So if you haven't used Prime XBT site before, then I wouldn't really recommend it for trading. I definitely wouldn't use it for trading. I don't think it's very good. But one thing I do love about it is this copy trading feature. So if you go over to copy trading up here, then you can see you can basically copy the trades of all of their best traders. This person here has had over 8,000% gains over 144 days. And then you can see here that that was most of it yesterday. They went up 200%. But so you can essentially find someone that you want to copy their trades of, go on there and then select follow. Now you'll see here there's a paid distribution breakdown, so depending on how much you put on depends on how much you get. So the manager, who's the person who puts the trades on, is always going to get 20%. But the more you put on, then the platform will take less. So if you put on 0.1 Bitcoin, then you'll get 75% of your profits, when you'll have to pay 5% to the platform and 20% to the manager. Or if you only put 0.001 on, then you'll get 60%, and the platform will take 20, managers take 20. So yeah, if we just go through all what you've got, so you got the name irrelevant, but what they're trading in, you can see to the moon here is traded in USDT, and then their total percentage that they are up. So 8,000% is unreal. But yeah, and how much they're down today. So they're down a little bit today. How long they've been going for, how many followers they've got, a quick view of their graph, and then how much equity they're trading, and you can also give them a rating. But if you go onto it, you can get even more detail. So the first thing I'd want to look at is how much they're trading of their own money. So this Billy is trading $84,000 or 2.3 Bitcoin of their own money. And then they've also traded $131,000 of their followers' equity. So, if they were just trading 500 USD, they might not be as committed to it as if they're trading this serious amount of money. And then you can also see how much they've earned, which is it's pretty unreal. You can break it down to see how they've done over time. It looks like they had a bad patch at the beginning, but other than that, it's been, maybe they stopped doing it for a while, and then it's been just gradually going up, and then the last couple of days, big boom. They can leave a little note, and you can have a look in more detail of them. Some of them will have like a Twitter link and stuff like that here, and then you can break it down to see how they've done over each day. Like today they're down 4.71%, but yesterday they were up nearly 200%. Day before that they were down. And then you can also have a look over the 7-day period, 30-day period, 90-day period, and so on. And then some of them will allow you to see what trades they are making. So if we go on to, I believe this one lets you see what trades they're making. Yeah, so you can see that they're trading on the Nasdaq, and this is what their returns have been from that. And before that, they were trading euros to Great British pounds, ETH to US dollars, and you can you can't see what they're actually doing, but you can see how they're making and losing money on there. So it's pretty it's pretty good. You have to give a large amount, like I said, in of the profits back to the platform and to the managers, but you're literally just making money for nothing. I would say you want to look for ones that have been trading for a long time, because I've just started testing this out recently, just to put a little bits of money in each one and a few of them to see who's going to make good money. And there's been quite a few that have come up after a couple of days of trading, been right up here, and then they've dropped off and disappeared. Um, so be careful of people just being brand new to it, and try and go for some of the more experienced ones. And then if you want to follow them, you click on follow, put however much you want to put on. I've got all of mine invested in people already, so it won't let me put any more on. And then it will tell you the manager's fee and the platform's fee. And then you just confirm it. They'll take 1% of your thing for an entry fee, and then you can follow. Then when you come down to your portfolio, it breaks it down onto who you're following and how much for. So I am following that Billy. I only put on 0.01 Bitcoin, because I have on all of them, because I was just testing. But that one's gone up 400% for me. Another one 93%, and then the only one that I'm down on is this To the Moon at the moment, but then that's only gone down today, really. Before that it was up. And then when you take the money out, it will take the fees off at that point, so that's something to be aware of. Yes, it looks like I've made $150 following Billy, but reality is when I take that out, I'm going to lose 40% of it in fees. So what would that be? So I'd lose about 60 in fees from that. So I'll only come out with about 120. No, it's a good. It seems a good platform. Just be careful on who you follow, but it seems well worth having a go on. I'll leave a link down in description for you to go through and check it out. If you want to have a look through the trading features, then go on ahead. And if you are a top trader, then make sure that you set up a strategy for yourself, because obviously you can make some good money in equity, like Billy has made a good amount of money there. This one's been going a while. Good amount of money there just through equity of doing well on other people's trades. Another feature on here that might be worth a look if you fancy it is you can have a look at their referrals. Their referrals is kind of like a pyramid scheme. So if you refer someone, then you'll get 20% of their trading fees. But then if that person refers someone, then you'll then get 15% of their trading fees as well as the 20% of theirs, and then 10 and 5%. So it's a bit of a pyramid scheme, but if you're into your social media and getting your friends trading and want to get them on the old copy trading, then yeah, definitely go through that route, because then you'll get you can get some fees for a percentage of their trading fees and the people that they refer. And on that note, if you could be so kind, as if you haven't already signed up, to sign up through my sign up referral, I would be much appreciative. Thanks very much.
Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, then please do. Hopefully it's very informative for you, and it'll be a great way for you to earn some more passive income. I think that one of the good things about it is that a lot of them trade in Bitcoin. So especially now where the price of Bitcoin's going down, it's a great place to put your Bitcoin so that it will accumulate over time. And then eventually when we're into another bull run again, then you can get it out and utilize it fully. Please be aware that this isn't financial advice, so enter at your own risk into any of these copy trades. Please do your research. And that 8,000%, that's insane, but hopefully you can find one like that, and it can be a very worthwhile platform for you to use. Please do use my referral link in the description if you've not already got an account. But thank you very much for watching and have a good day.